Christ the Redeemer is one of the most famous monuments in the world, standing high above Rio de Janeiro on Mount Corcovado. The idea for building a great Christian statue on this mountain goes back to the 19th century, when a Brazilian priest first suggested creating a monument that would overlook the city. But the project did not move forward until the 1920s, when Brazil prepared to celebrate the 100th anniversary of its independence. At that time, the Catholic community of Rio proposed the construction of a giant statue of Christ that would symbolize peace, hope, and protection over the nation. In 1922, the design was officially approved, and Brazilian engineer Heitor da Silva Costa was chosen to lead the project. He imagined Christ with open arms, embracing the entire city. To complete the artistic details, Costa traveled to Europe and worked with French sculptor Paul Landowski, who created the statue's head and hands. Another French engineer, Albert Coquot, designed the internal structure, ensuring the monument could withstand strong winds and harsh weather on the mountain. Construction began in 1922 and continued for 9 years. Building the statue on such a steep and remote peak was extremely challenging. Materials, including tons of concrete and soapstone, were transported up the mountain using a small railway. More than 300 workers took part in the project, assembling each part directly at the top of Corcovado. The final statue was covered with thousands of soapstone tiles, chosen because they resist heat, rain, and time. Christ the Redeemer was officially inaugurated on October 12, 1931. At 38 meters tall, including its pedestal, and with an arm span of 28 meters, it became one of the largest Art Deco statues ever built. With its open arms, the monument quickly became a powerful symbol of peace, compassion, and unity, not only for Brazil, but for people all over the world. Over the years, the statue has required several restorations because of natural wear, strong winds, and lightning strikes. Major renovations took place in 1980, 2000, and 2010, during which cracks were repaired, old soapstone tiles were replaced, and new lighting systems were installed. In 2007, Christ the Redeemer was officially named one of the new 7 wonders of the world, further increasing its global recognition. Today, the statue is visited by more than 2 million people every year. It appears in movies, documentaries, sports broadcasts, and travel images, and it remains a powerful symbol of Brazil's identity and culture. As of 2025, Christ the Redeemer is 94 years old, standing tall as a monument to faith, resilience, and human creativity. Its presence continues to inspire millions of people who travel to Rio to witness its beauty and its message of peace.